In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your subscription plan in ElevenLabs step by step, whether you want to upgrade to a higher plan or downgrade to a lower one. This is a really useful tutorial if you're trying to manage your costs, unlock more features, or simply switch to a plan that better fits your current usage. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top area of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Subscription. This is where you'll see your current plan details, billing information, and the available options for changing your subscription. If you want to upgrade, look for the Upgrade button or choose a higher tier plan from the available options. Click on the plan you want and then carefully review the pricing, features, and billing terms before continuing. Make sure everything looks right, because this is the point where you confirm you're moving to a more advanced plan. Once you're ready, complete the payment process. After the payment goes through, your upgrade should take effect immediately, so you can start using the new features right away. Now, if you want to downgrade instead, the process is just as simple. On the subscription page, click Downgrade, then select the plan you want to switch to. After that, confirm your choice. One important thing to remember is that downgrades usually do not happen instantly. In ElevenLabs, the downgrade is scheduled for the end of your current billing cycle, which means you'll keep access to your current plan until that period ends. That's helpful because it gives you time to finish any projects or use up the remaining features before the lower plan starts. Before you make any change, it's always a good idea to double check what features you'll lose or gain with the new plan. That way you can avoid surprises and make sure the subscription still matches your workflow. If you're upgrading, think about whether you need more characters, more generations, or additional tools. If you're downgrading, make sure the lower plan still gives you everything you actually need. And that's it. You now know how to change your subscription plan in ElevenLabs, whether you're upgrading for more power or downgrading to save money. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.